going down, it's going down. Oh, beautiful. Touching, isn't it? Oh, those wild waves. Wild, wild, wild waves, yeah. Is this the sunset or what? This is the shit, ain't it? Check it out. Beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. Key East. That's what I'm talking about right here on our nose. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna check crabs. It's gonna be hard to do one-handed.